Welcome back to my channel, guys. Bacha Tutorials. Today we're gonna learn about print statement, guys. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into PyCharm. Okay, we had learned comments. Now in your Python file, printy. Okay, why this? Why after print? Because a Python file's name should never match with a module's name. Okay, keep this in mind, guys. Why? You will get to know in a couple of weeks, guys. Okay, to print a statement or print anything, of course, just write print. Okay, see, just you got to see, this is the best use of PyCharm, guys. See, after entering PR, it already showed print. If you just hit enter, it will take you with print and brackets. See, if you had done this with a command prompt Python, and now you have nothing like that. You have to enter full like this and then use or write the code. Okay, this is the use and the best use of PyCharm. Okay, very print statement. Okay, to print any statement or anything, you have to write this code inside the brackets. If you are writing a number or an integer, anything, write it like this and print. See, it got printed. This is the outcome box, guys. This is the outcome box, or whatever you can call. If you want to print like a name, my name is Shashwat, guys. If I am not told, my pet name is Shashu. Okay, like this, and see, actually you can see it over here only. It's already in red lined because it's an error. Shashu is not defined. Why? Because you cannot print a statement without double quotes, guys. Print any alphabets without. See, if you write like this, print if a number you have to print, you can print like without double quotes. With double quotes also you can print. See, with double quotes, without double quotes, number, anything. Okay, but for alphabet you have to use a double quote either sides of the statement. Okay, this is up for print statement, guys. Thank you.